you have to leave the place. Yes, you have to leave. Meanwhile, she has a lawyer. The mother has her own lawyer. Funny enough, some people that really know what is going on came up to, like, they called me. They were like, the mother is the owner of the property. That is not for both of them. That the issue of...
He has done what no man can do. He has done what no man can do. His name is Jesus, powerful Savior. He has done what no man can.
Good day to you, wherever you may be. This is your girl, your sister from another mother. We are here again to say what we know. Sometimes we bloggers, we hear different things and we like to say it. If you are not telling us the truth, at the end of the day, we are going to get the truth from what happened. That's just the truth. That is why sometimes I like to share it. I don't believe in one-sided part. No, let the two come up, then we'll know what is going on. Concerning the last video I did concerning the way forward, concerning a mother and a child, actually I said the mother has, that was what I was told, and I brought it out so that other people can learn not to put anybody down. So at the end of the day, I got some comments and some people called me, DM me. The people involved, they came up to say this is what really happened, and which is I'm ready to share. Though my friends wrote comments which I was really encouraged. Some said okay, it should be taken out of court. Some said, oh, the mother should forget about it, the girl will regret. Some said the mother actually has two children, a boy and a girl, based on the true story from the witness. She has two children, a girl and a boy. She has 3 property before now. She sold one. She shared it according to the witness. She shared the property. Mind you, I said the girl was the next of kin. The girl is not the next of kin. Though that is what the girl said in the court. She's not the next of kin. The boy is the next of kin. The girl, though the girl is the senior anyway, but the boy is the next of kin. So that if she's watching now, she will know what really happened. The girl is the next of kin. So sorry for that. The girl is the boy, sorry, not the girl. The boy is the next of kin, and the woman has been in the Western world trying to make sure they are living well. What happened that made her to say no, she's going to get her property back? The one she left for the girl, she sold it. Yes, let me tell you now what happened. She sold it. We don't know what the money was used for. So she now went to rent an apartment. So the mother thought of it, was like, no, it's not good for my child to be paying for rentage since I have a building. Okay, she now gave her this other one, which is now bringing up issue now. Is this other one, she built a shop in the frontage. Is this other one that is now bringing up issue now? What happened was that I think, or what happened was that she was not taking good care of it the way the mother expected it. So at the end of the day, if the mother comes, because she's there with her children, with her husband, the mother goes somewhere else to stay. But to cut the whole story short, I told you the last time the case is already in the court. Now it has been adjourned, but the girl said the property belongs to her and the mother, and she was asked how. She said she brought 3 million, the mother brought 4 million, so they built the house, the property together. They built the property together. So the court now said, okay, since we've adjourned the case, your mother, since you said both of you built the house, your mother is not there. You are not supposed to be there. 3 million and 4 million is not an issue here because they know the woman very well. She doesn't have that money that she said Thank God for some people that commented that it's something that they have to take out of court and settle him amicably among the family. Though someone called me, DM me, was like, no, the woman have to give the daughter some time so that she will rethink, then settle down and go elsewhere, because in the future the daughter is going to be the one to take care of the woman. People with their opinion, so many options came up. Some people called me, they were like, this is what really happened. My own concern here is this: please, I'm begging those that are involved, those that this matter concern, please, let's settle this thing amicably. Yes, I know it has happened. Now the case is in court. Something can still be done, especially to the daughter. Yes, I'm talking to the daughter now. You might watch me in the future, you might watch me now, and I've said it before. Anybody that knows who knows the person, please share it. I'm saying my own opinion. In a situation like this, you know within you that this property belongs to your mother. Your mother have always been there for you. Yes, she has always been there for you. It's not something that you will now use this to pay her back. It's not the best for me. It's not the best. A situation like this, she's still your mother. Blood is thicker than water. You have to calm down, humble yourself. Yes, humble yourself and call her. She's your mother. She's not going to refuse you. She's not going to reject you. But initially, she might feel bad because of what has happened along the line. You have to beg her. If possible, call elders around you. You have elders, you have those that are senior to you. Call them. Call your husband, call your children. Yes, this thing, settle it within yourself. Tell your mom, this is the situation at hand. You know I've wronged you. Please find somewhere in your heart to forgive me, because this money we are talking about, it will come and it will go. Yes, you might say, oh, you've succeeded in what you are doing. You know what you are doing. You know the truth. You know better than even we that is talking. We don't know what is going on. But we are here to make peace. We are here to say the way forward, so that this thing will not lead to something else. We beg in the name of the Lord. Yes, I'm your sister. I'm a friend. Also, please call your mother and settle this thing amicably. The courts involve your lawyer. Tell them the truth. The truth. That is what is here now. The truth needs to be told. The truth needs to be said. If you continue hiding it because you have some people advising you to do it this way, those people are advising you